Douglas Electrical Components manufactures our push-through receptacle feed-through hermetic assemblies for applications such as glovebox setups where the electrical connections are consistently changed and/or upgraded. This design features quick installation, a variety of mechanical and electrical interfaces, and the ability to replace the hermetic insert during maintenance and upgrades without breaking the hermetic seal, thus contaminating the outside environment. It is engineered and manufactured in the US with made-to-order designs available in 4 to 6 weeks. To replace the insert, the locking nut and retaining ring are removed. The new insert is aligned to the installed insert to push the original into the glove box while maintaining a hermetic seal with the 4 O-rings installed. The retaining ring and locking nut are then reinstalled. The PTR Hermetic Feed-Through is available with a variety of electrical connections. These include mil-spec connectors, industrial and commercial connectors, as well as coaxial, fiber optic, and high voltage options. Electrical connections can be customized to include other types of connectors, wire, cable, and plug interfaces on either side of the feed-through. A variety of mechanical interfaces are available to customers to integrate within the glove box or chamber, including face seals, NPT threaded ports, and weld-in designs. Once installed, customers have the flexibility to change feed-throughs without the future cost of the mechanical interface. Customers can also order blank plugs for tests performed that do not require utilization of the feed-through port. Douglas Electrical Components is a U.S. manufacturer of hermetic electrical feed-throughs. Our technology allows for products to meet industry-standard radiation, flammability, and leaching standards to ensure a hermetic seal within the glove box or chamber. Contact Douglas Electrical Components today to discuss your electrical feed-through requirements.